Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to organize messy folder with Claude Cowork. So in this video I will show you how to organize messy folder with Claude Cowork, because Claude Cowork, as you probably know, can do a lot of things on files and directories inside of your physical device if you are going to connect a folder into it, and I will show you how you can do it in this video. So let's move to the Claude Cowork section, and let's connect a folder into my Cowork. So I will choose the different folder. I will go into documents, and here I have the folder Cloud. Inside of this folder, I will show you right now, I have some files. As you can see, it is not looking good. Why? Because I have three TXT files with weird names. I have two PDF files. I have two Python files. This is an example only for this video. Probably if you want to organize something, it is a little bit more messy than my folder, but it will be also helpful and it works the same. So first of all, we want to separate every maybe extension into a different subfolder. We want to rename this, for example, TXT files, to make it a little bit more readable, because I just typed in the random letters, and we will do it right now with Claude Cowork. So I will move it away for now, and let's write the prompt. So let's write something like this: organize this folder into subfolders, for example, by file type. And now the second sentence will be rename files maybe to a consistent format where appropriate. So I will do something like this, and now we will run this command, this prompt. I would say, so organize this folder into subfolders by file type and rename them with the consistent format. I will press enter or click that button, and now we have to wait. First of all, we are loading tools, and we are running commands. Let me pick at the file contents to come up with the meaningful names before reorganizing. So now the model is scanning what is inside of these files, and I can see 7 files, 2 PDFs, 2 Python scripts, and 3 files, two of which are empty. Some file names are very generic, file program, and as you can see, some of them are really weird. So this is why we are listing this. And now, how should I handle renaming the files with unclear or generic names like file.pdf, dfs.txt, and so on? Use maybe content clues recommended. What should I do with the empty files? Maybe delete them. So as you can see, you can actually delete files, you can actually keep them, and you can do whatever you want to. So this is why it is so useful, because you don't have to delete this manually, you don't have to check every file manually, you can just do it with Claude Cowork. As you can see, first of all, it is creating subfolders. Second of all, it will delete my empty files. Third of all, it will move and rename files. As you can see, it created 3 folders. Now it is deleting empty files, so we will wait for the process to be finished. But we have to allow something. Allow Claude to permanently delete files in your Claude during task. So yes, we have to allow that. So maybe I will move this into here, and I will press allow, and I will go back. As you can see, the file has been deleted, and now it has to move and rename these files. So it moved these files, and the process is finished. So as you can see, now I can go into the documents. Here I have a file and the form. I can go into scripts. I have the calculator. It was, I think, the file.python before, and you have the text, which is numbers.txt. So this is how does it look like. It is working. You can actually see all the changes right there. So all done here is what I done to your folder, subfolders. First of all, created documents with the files and form.pdf. Scripts with the calculator.python renamed from file.python. It contains a calculator class. And the text numbers.txt. Deleted empty files, dfs.txt, ffd.txt, and program.python. So this is how you can organize a messy folder with Claude Cowork. This is, as you can see, very comfortable, very easy, and you can do it on your own. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.